According to ScienceDaily.com, only 50% of Americans say that they're somewhat worried about our global warming, and the percentage of Americans who think that global warming is caused by human activity has dropped. Today I'm going to inform you about global warming. It is important for us to know the scientific evidence of global warming, and it will continue to be a serious threat to our world, and it's caused by mostly us humans. First, I'm going to discuss the global warming and what causes it. Next, I will discuss some of the effects global warming have and what we can do to prevent it. First, let us discuss global warming and what causes it. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the Earth's near-air surface and the oceans since the mid-20th century, and its projected continuation. According to the New York Times, global warming has been perhaps the most complicated issue facing our world leaders. Scientists have spent decades researching what causes global warming. One of the first things these scientists have learned is that there are several greenhouse gases responsible for this warming, and humans produce them in many variety of ways. Most come from the combustion of fossil fuels in cars, factories, and the production of electricity. The gas that is most responsible for global warming is carbon dioxide. Other contributors include methane gas released from landfills and the loss of our forests, which otherwise store the carbon monoxide. So recycle, save the trees. Global warming is the increase in the average Earth's temperature. Although it is a complicated issue, it is an important issue that scientists have proven caused mostly by human activities. Now that we've learned about global warming and what causes it, let's understand the effects of global warming and what we can do to prevent it. The planet is warming from Greenland to Antarctica. According to nationalreview.com, from 1906 to 2005, we have a production over here. As you can see, the polar ice caps are going to melt slowly but surely. We're on 1982, 83, 84, 85. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 4. By 2005, since 1979, more than 20% of the polar ice caps has melted away. According to nationalreview.com, according to the wallstreetjournal.com, a large chunk of the Arctic seabed that sits on methane reservoir has become unstable and has released some of the heat-trapping gas into the atmosphere. Signs that global warming is occurring are appearing everywhere. Heat is not only melting the glaciers and the icebergs, it is also shifting precipitation. Precipitation has increased across the globe. According to FoxNews.com, heavy snowfalls that we saw this past winter were due to what scientists have long pointed out, the warmer global temperatures that have been increased the rate of evaporation of the oceans, putting more moisture into the atmosphere, thus causing heavier downfalls of rain and snow. The acidity levels are also rising in the oceans. According to CNBC.com, rising acidity levels in the ocean pose a serious threat to shellfish and other marine life. It is the most important threat to our water quality right now. There are many simple things you can do in your daily life that can prevent and help fight against global warming, such as check your car's air filters monthly, keep your oil clean, keep your tires inflated, gives you better gas mileage, less gas usage. Only run the dishwasher when it's on a full load, as well as the washing machine. Use recycled paper, as I said before. Save the trees. We need our trees to store the carbon dioxide that gets produced by this global warming. Okay, carpool whenever possible. Leave your thermostat at 78 degrees. Put on a sweater, okay, instead of turning on the air conditioner, and wear shorts instead of turning up the air. Okay, buy products locally. Buying locally will help reduce the amount of energy required to drive your goods to the store. Use Energy Star appliances and windows. Plant a tree. Trees produce clean air for us to breathe, and they also collect the carbon dioxide. Bring your own cloth bag to the store instead of using the plastic bags or a paper bag. Stop drinking out of plastic water bottles. Use your own reusable water bottle. Don't waste water. The result of global warming are happening throughout the world. Such include as the increase of snow, melting ice, sea, acidity levels are rising. We can all do some simple things in our daily lives to help decrease global warming. What we do today will affect our future. Thank you.